Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make some very delicious and Mediterranean, 100%. I'm going to make some olive aubergine cooked in pizzaiola sauce. It's involtini di melanzane alla pizzaiola in Italiano. We need aubergine. I'm gonna grill that. But if you want, you can cook in the oven as well. But I prefer the grill, okay? After this, we're gonna prepare the pizzaiola sauce. Okay, it's quite easy and quick. So we're gonna roll with the stuff inside. We're gonna put some cheese, I don't know, some cooked ham, everything we like. We put in, we roll, we put a little bit pizzaiola sauce, and we bake in the oven around 15 minutes. What we're gonna do, first step, is aubergine. We need the aubergine, guys, okay? I take just the skin. And cut like that, like steak, not too thin, but not too thick, because they're gonna cook quickly, okay? Won't make quickly this part, okay? Here, like this, okay? No, you don't want to be precise, you know? And just put on, and we grill them, okay? And continue like that for all your aubergine. If someone is too thick, just put in per. Okay? I think 3.5 minutes per side, stuff like that. We don't want to burn them. When you see the grill is okay, already done, just maybe you can see something already here. A little bit more. We turn from the other side. Look. When you have something like this, turn, other side, turn. When you have both sides like that, just put in the plate and leave it there, because we're gonna grill all the aubergine we have, and we love this. My partner, my son, and me, I love it. You're gonna have something like this, you know? Don't worry if it's broken. This one basically, we're gonna put stuff inside and we're gonna roll it. That's it. Now, my aubergine is ready. We're gonna make the sauce. This sauce is super easy. We need some garlic, capers, salt, pepper. I'm gonna use some garlic powder, passata, how much you need, and chopped tomato, okay? Super easy. First, we add some olive oil, the base, a nice amount. The garlic in, you know, already start. When it start cooking like that, you can add some capers. Especially we have the rest. When it's finished, we set away. We have some chopped tomato you can find in any supermarket. Okay, put in. Another ingredient important I forgot is the oregano. Add that chopped tomato. Already the smell is super nice. I want passata as well. Sure. We don't want this too liquid, but anyway, I want to add some water. So, oregano is quite good ingredient. Put it. Okay? Some salt, how much you like. A little bit of garlic powder. A touch of black pepper, if you like. This is, if you like, even spicy is nice, but my son is not really, he likes spicy. He likes, but not too strong. The rest of the capers, guys, the job is done. mix everything very well. Sometimes check the salt and pepper here to adjust. Now I will, in this tray, I put some water. This gonna cook 20 minutes is enough. 20-25 minutes is enough. If you want, you can cook maximum half an hour. But because this later go again in the oven, because we're gonna bake the aubergine. Now we put the lid on. The gas we put very low. Now I clean this mess, and the time the sauce, the pizzaiola sauce start cooking, we start make the involtini di olives. Okay, see you soon. Okay, guys, the sauce is on the way. Okay, the smell, guys, is absolutely delicious. Now I'm gonna the stuff this. I'm gonna use some ham, some cheese. I use fontina, but you can use any cheese you like, cheddar, scamorza, provolone, any cheese you like inside. Don't gonna melt completely. You can use parmesan as well. What we wanna do? And later you can do any way you like, okay? You put a little that's all. Ham if you wanna, you can use parma. That's it. This is done, guys. You see? It's this. I put on the plate. I show you now. You can use just with cheese, okay? Like this. It's job done, okay? You don't have to be precise because they're going now in the oven. They're gonna cook again, okay? Show another one, and later when you make all your olives, we're gonna put in the tray and gonna go in the oven with the sauce. Later, when they raw all, we put on the plate, we're gonna add just a little touch of salt and pepper. That's it, because the sauce is salty, the cheese is salty. You know, well, make your olives. When the sauce is ready, and I finish my olives, I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay? Yes. The involtini inside, if you like, but I like. I took one mozzarella. I just cut it like that, put on the top, and that's it. This now going in the oven 200 degrees around, because they already go around 15, maximum 20 minutes. Okay. Now we take some of the sauce and you going on the top. Yes. Okay. It's ready. And this one, guys, when it's ready, you can eat just like that, or you add some salad, or I don't know, with some bread. Easy. Anyway, in the oven, around 15-20 minutes, 200 degrees. Later, I'm gonna be more precise, okay? I put it on. Guys, my involtini di melanzane alla pizzaiola, they're ready. Oh yeah, they're absolutely beautiful. Now, the cooking time is 20 minutes. I did 20 minutes, 200 degrees, and 5 minute grill. That's it. Now, I will try one. Just, okay, how cheesy they are. Oh. And I want to try to cut it. So the smell is amazing, guys. Yeah? Look at it.
So pretty good.
Look at it. I know I will burn myself.
Yes, it.
See.
And when we do that, it's like a big part of the act.
Albacio. This is another masterpiece. Wow, absolutely delicious. Guys, the mine
I tell you what.
in Voltini alla Pizzaiola is this. Beautiful. It's hot. I have to leave it. Guys, always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.